Oh, good morning everyone. Looks like it's going to be another hot day at Amsterdam. So I just got the 48 hours OVV ticket, which can be used on metro, tram and trains. Okay, I've reached the entrance of the Heineken Experience outlet, just queuing up to get the tickets. Just got the combo tickets for the Heineken tour, the boat ride as well as the lookout. Alright, just scan in and they give you a souvenir. It's like a bottle cap opener as well as a stripe.
It's self-guided, so there's no one halfway the tour. At the end of the tour, and I think the most important
Hello. So you can see and hear me very well. Sound and visual effects. It's awesome, huh?
So this is the fella that found Heineken. Actually offers you some hands-on experience. So it's actually warm. Awesome. Alright, they offer us a shot of a tester, which is like a barley and water. Wow. Actually it's not too bad. Well, they actually have a house barn in here, sharing about how the horse actually helps to move the crates of beer around.
Join me over here at the podium, tall guy at the Red Star. Very easy spot so we can have the beer tasting together. And the first question I want to ask you guys is what color is your beer? And please do not say yellow. Golden, very good. And why is it gold? It's gold because it's slightly roasted malted barley, giving it this beautiful golden color. And gold is the color of winners. 1, 2, 3. Close.
Okay, you have an option to bottle your own beer as well as 650 euros. to claim the free beer. Just got my free Heineken beer. Oh, check out the crowd. Alright, just finished the Heineken tour experience. Heineken brewery experience. Now I'm going to try to find the Iamsterdam sign, take a photo, and then come back here for the boat tour. Alright, so I've reached one of the museums where the Iamsterdam sign is at. Check this out. I'm here now at the museum area where the Iamsterdam sign used to be here, but I guess it moves around, so now it's no longer here. I think I'm going back to do the boat tour and then finish up at the lookout area. Now in line for the boat tour. The boats will be leaving about 2:20. Alright, just got on the boat. Alright, just finished the boat tour. It was very informative and fun and interesting, and yeah, lots to see. Alright, I'm back to Amsterdam Central Station. I'm going to look for some big lunch. Alright, grabbing a quick lunch with a burger at an outlet called Newt's Burger Club. I'm going to the lookout right now. The time is about 5 PM. Hopefully the weather will be good for a good lookout.
So if you look up right now, you can see our light show. We're gonna go up 100 meters in 20 seconds.
Whoa.
Alright, that's a fast one. Whoa, check it out, man. From here, I can see my accommodation.
they also have an open air rooftop with where people can chill out on couches and take photos of themselves over the ledge. And of course they have the swing right ahead of me. Alright, that's it for the Adams Lookout, and yeah, I'm going back to my accommodation, take a rest before heading out again to photograph the canal in the blue hour.